Why does your scanner show the P0725 engine code? What does it mean? P0725 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine speed input circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that a fault detected within the engine input speed sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty transmission speed sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, faulty reluctor ring, malfunctioning engine control module, open or short circuits, contamination on the sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, Jeep, Nissan, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.